Speaking Part 2.
Now, I am going to give you a topic. And I would like you to talk about it for 1 to 2 minutes. Before you talk, you will have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say. You can make notes if you wish. Do you understand?
Yes.
And here's some paper and pencil for you to making notes. And here is your topic. I would like to describe a house or an apartment you would like to live in future.
After 1 minute.
Alright. Remember, you have 1 to 2 minutes for this. So, don't worry if I stop you. I will tell you if time is up. Can you start speaking now, please?
Oh yes. Well, everyone has a dream to have a house according to their own choice. I am not an exception in this case. Here I would like to talk about a house which I would like to have in future. Basically, I belong to a mediocre family, but I am doing hard work to achieve success and to fulfill my dreams. I would like to construct a farmhouse which will be in the middle of farms, as I love greenery and a peaceful environment. That house includes 4 bedrooms with an attached washroom, kitchen, living room, drawing room, courtyard and backyard. In the courtyard of my house, I would like to keep flower pots, which helps to enhance the beauty of my house. Moreover, I will also construct a garden where I grow plants, organic vegetables and trees which not only provide fresh air, but also fresh vegetables. I would like to have 1 swimming pool where I can swim, as swimming is the best form of exercise. Apart from it, the interior and exterior would be marvelous. The floor of my house will be of white marble. The color of the paint will be also white, because the white color gives me peace of mind. I would like to live in this house, because it is my childhood dream to live in such kind of house, and I will definitely fulfill it. When I will construct this, I will feel delighted, because in this way I can make my parents proud. So, this is the house which I would like to have.
Thank you. This is the end of your speaking part 2.